ZScaler is a cloud security platform. We've effectively taken that traditional security stack that takes your traffic and pushes it out to the internet, and we've replaced it with a cloud-based service that effectively puts the perimeter now around the internet. What this delivers for the organization is it effectively takes that security and puts that policy around the user so they can travel freely outside of the network and have the same security experience as if they were on-premise.
So there's an exciting new technology called the software-defined perimeter. And the software-defined perimeter allows you to connect the user to an application, regardless of where the user is coming from or what environment the application resides in. So traditionally, the solution to do that would be a virtual private network, where you have a remote user who needs access to an application inside a corporate network. And the virtual private network would extend the corporate network to the endpoint of the user as if they were on the network itself. There are two big challenges with that approach. One is security, and the second is user experience. From a security standpoint, if you connect a remote endpoint to the network itself, then the user may be able to move laterally within that network, and that may mean that they can access applications that were not intended. And then from a user experience standpoint, you have a single ingress point to get into the network. So if you have applications in the data center and the cloud, multiple cloud providers, multiple data centers, you have to do a lot of backhaul to get access to all of those resources. With software-defined perimeter, the idea is to move the perimeter between the user and the application that they want to access, so that when they attempt to access a resource, they're connected to that resource regardless of where it resides, but only if they're authorized to access it. Here at ZScaler, we use software-defined perimeter technology to enable our ZScaler private access solution, which delivers better security, better user experience, and a simplified administration experience for any user accessing any application in any location.
We see Asia Pacific as a rapidly growing cloud environment. Australia and New Zealand is traditionally one of the first markets to adopt new technologies, and so we've seen a lot of consistent business in the ANZ market. But we also see Singapore, India, Japan and Korea growing very rapidly and fast follower. So we're seeing tremendous growth in those areas as well. You only have to look at the large internet companies, Microsoft, Amazon, Google, ZScaler, all investing their POPs and their data centers into these key markets.